I chose, sabi ko, ito na yung pinnacle, no? Ito na yung parang last hurrah. I'll just try to contribute some more, no, na hindi lang legislation, kundi yung nagme-make ng decision. So when we discussed about it and we decided to really go all out, no, and campaign. Kaya maski yung rigors of the campaign, medyo physically taxing at medyo talagang maraming mga unfortunate incidents, we have learned to live with it. So yun, masayang aalis sa gobyerno, masayang aalis sa public service, happy with the thought that, self-fulfilling yung nagawa ko. And I did my best na magsilbi sa ating mga kababayan.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.